We are looking at question 20 of the JAMB 2015 physics exams. When a capacitor is charged to 20 coulombs on each plate, the energy stored by it is 40 joules. At what charge will it store half of this energy? We are going to be looking at this question in two phases. In the first phase, we are not given capacitance, and in the second phase, we are not given the charge. So we are going to use this formula to approach this problem. Here we have E is equal to half Q squared all over C, where Q is our charge, C is the capacitance, and E is the energy stored. So from the question, our Q is 20 coulombs, our E, which is energy, is 40 joules. So we are simply going to substitute these values in this equation. That will be so we have our energy, which is 40, to be half multiplied by 20 squared all over C, which is our capacitance. So since we are looking for the capacitance, we simply make C a subject of the formula, and that will give us C is equal to 400, which is 20 squared, all over 2 times 40. So our C, which is the capacitance, is equal to 5 farad. So this is the first phase where we were looking for the capacitance. So in the second phase of this question, we are required to find Q when the energy is halved. So half of 40 will be 20. So when E is equal to 20 and C is equal to 5, we are required to find Q. So when energy is halved, that is 20 joules, and our capacitance is 5 farad, we are required to determine the value of the charge, that is Q. So our energy is half Q squared all over C. And since we are looking for Q, we simply make Q squared the subject of the formula. That will be Q squared is equal to 2 multiplied by the capacitance multiplied by the energy. So we have Q squared equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 20. So we have our Q squared to be 200. So for us to have the value of Q, we simply square both sides. So that will be, so because of the square here, this is out. So our Q is equal to square root of 200. And the square root of 200 is 14.142. So our Q is 14.142 coulombs.